By the sea you called my name, while nets were in my hands. I heard your voice, it cut the air and changed my life's command. I was mending what was torn, you were calling me, not to stay, not to return, but to walk where I can see. Follow me, the Master said. Leave the past, the fear, the threat. Take the cross, deny the self, lose your life to find it held. Follow me, your words remain. Life is found beyond the pain. Where you go, Lord, I will be. For where you are, I long to be. You did not explain the road or promise rest from loss. You only said, come after me, and show the shape of the cross. I did not know the cost a day, nor all that I would lose, but I knew your voice was truth, and I could not refuse. Follow me, the Master said. Leave the past, the fear, the threat. Take the cross, deny the self, lose your life to find